If you want your paint stripper to work like this, here are 3 things you need to do. I get a lot of comments from people asking what kind of stripper I use, saying they've never had that good of luck with stripper. Or I even had somebody accuse me of faking the process and painting something poorly to strip it off. What? Come on, who has time for that? The truth is 9 times out of 10, if it's not working for you, it's probably because of one of these 3 things. So be sure to save this for your next flipping project. First, buy the right stripper.
We're talking about paint here.
These are the only 2 that I have used and would recommend. Some of it out there is garbage. This one is actually my preference because it is non-toxic and I think it works amazing. If you are going to use the toxic stuff, just be sure to wear your PPE. Second, lay it on thick. This is not the time for restraint. We want that stuff
all over.
And if it's not coming off easily, don't give up. It's probably just a little dried out and you need to reactivate it. Just put a little bit more stripper on. You don't need a lot this time.
Just a little bit.
Reactivate what's already on there, brush it on, and it should glide right off for you. We've got this. If you want a link to all these products that I like to use for stripping, I've dropped it in the caption. Bye.